Stop struggling in the kitchen. I've gathered the 4 most viral pro chef secrets that will instantly fix your biggest cooking fails, from crumbly veggie burgers to guacamole that just won't stop browning. Let's go through the only 4 hacks you need to know. Hack number 1, smash burger. First up, the smash burger. Stop cooking thick, dry patties. The secret to that perfect crispy crust is to smash it early and flat with a metal spatula directly onto a scorching hot surface. The thin edges are where the flavor is. Hack 2, vegan scrambled eggs, vegetarian. Let's fix those soggy vegan eggs. The key to a dry, fluffy scramble is moisture control. Add your nutritional yeast and turmeric for flavor, but the real trick is frying it on high heat until all the water is driven out. That's how you get that perfect texture. Hack 3, black bean burger, vegetarian. Tired of crumbly black bean burgers? Your patty is too wet. The biggest secret is baking your black beans first to remove excess moisture. Then use ground oats, not flour, as your binder for ultimate stability. Never break a patty again. Hack number 4, guacamole, vegetarian. Finally, the guacamole disaster. Does yours turn beyond instantly? The fix is twofold. Use plenty of fresh lime juice, and then before storing, create an airtight water barrier on top to block out the oxygen. That's it. 4 secrets, 4 major problems solved. Now you have the pro chef secrets to succeed in the kitchen. Hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell for more daily kitchen secrets. Thanks for watching.